This is a natural proprietary blend of 58 powerful plant extracts and nutrients, clinically and scientifically proven to support and restore the heart, LDL levels, cholesterol, artery health, and blood pressure levels. Not only does it help you burn off fat even faster during the program, but in the vulnerable months that follow, you'll use the special supplement in order to support a healthy heart and cholesterol levels, and the new sexy body and flat tummy free from stubborn fat. And it takes just 2 seconds of your time each day. Click the link in the description to see how just 1 scoop a day to support healthier weight, heart, blood vessels, sugar levels, cholesterol, and energy levels. It has been meticulously researched, formulated, and created by a team of researchers and verified after decades of research. Every step has been taken to ensure it is the purest and highest quality supplement you've ever taken. It is 100% plant-based, non-GMO, non-habit forming, with no dangerous stimulants or toxins, and is manufactured in the USA in a GMP and FDA certified facility. Sounds simple enough? That's because it is. In just a few seconds a day, you can begin to support healthy heart, arteries, cholesterol, blood sugar, and blood pressure levels for life. Simply click the link in the description to choose the option you prefer, and it'll be shipped out immediately to your front door. You are just days away from experiencing the incredible benefits only this proprietary unique blend of herbs can provide. Give it a try and see the difference it brings to your life. It has taken years to formulate the absolute best scoop of potent natural compounds that will speed up your weight loss and help you reverse nasty ailments for life. Rest assured that you are buying something that is doctor-backed, research-verified, natural, and will stimulate your fat loss the moment you start. Go check it out. It may change your life. Thanks for watching today's Spy by Weight Online video. Have a nice day.